I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the game writes exports. Open Skate settings and find the export path. This tells you the exact folder. If it's blank, check common locations like Documents, Videos, or the game installation's exports directory. Once done, scan for file extensions such as MP4 or MOV and note any proprietary formats the game uses. This is crucial because knowing the path and file type lets you use the right tools to view or move clips without corrupting them. Next, you perform a focus search inside that folder. Open your File Explorer and filter by the extension you identified. Use date modified and size to spot recent exports. Once done, rename or tag files consistently so you can batch process them. This helps when you have dozens of clips. If you don't see expected files, make sure hidden or system files are visible, and check cloud overlays or backup folders. These steps prevent accidental duplicates and make important. Finally, verify each export by playing it in a stable player to confirm integrity and audio sync. If a file won't play, convert it to MP4 using a trusted converter because codecs can differ. This preserves quality for editing or upload. Once done, backup exports to a secondary drive or cloud so you don't lose work. If clips are missing, check for auto-upload, cloud sync, or temp directories. Those are common culprits when exports appear to vanish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.